Yeah, actually very lucky that this happened just now. So that's the quickest solution ever. Second day already in the shop, but it's just how it is. Everything is just a little bit harder with those kind of temperatures. Why is it on wet? That's not right. Let's see one. Okay, now it's just weird. Why is it weird now? I didn't do that. Settings. Preferences, display mode, auto. I didn't set it to auto, I set it to night. Always have it to night. Yeah, it's just weird sometimes. Now my trip is reset. I heard that it does that sometimes. It just resets itself. The whole thing, everything. That's a bit annoying. I had that before. See, why is it doing that? Now all my settings are gone. Jesus. I read that in the forum. Sport, okay. Traction control. 6. So weird. And I have to do everything again? No. Well, I'll leave that now. Yeah, strange. New technology. 13% I need a charger. I need a charger closer. I hope it will work and the battery is not too cold. Typical Dutch village here. I like the red houses, the red brickstone. Looks so cool. Look at this here. Amazing. I'll just plug her in for 10 minutes and then I go to the shop. It's 40 kilometers to the shop. Just need that charger here. Is it? Yeah. There. All good. Let's see. Let's see if it works. Hopefully. I didn't have enough to get there. But it was so late yesterday. I didn't want to bother charging anything. Plug that in. Yeah, it charges, but very slow because the battery is cold. So I hope it just, as soon as the battery gets warmer, I hope it gets faster. That would be cool. Ah, shit. Yeah, made absolutely no sense to stay there. So I decided to go to the next one. I will just make it. Once I'm there, the battery is going to be warm enough, I reckon. But man, how beautiful is Holland, right? If it wasn't so flat, I could definitely see myself living here. Look. Wow. Roads buttery smooth, of course. Wow. I love it. Yeah, that's just the thing. And, you know, it's like around 0 degrees. So of course that is like an extreme test to the whole electric motorcycle thing again, because usually you don't go out and ride your bike to -degrees. Wow, horses. Oh my god, I love Holland. Yeah, got it to work, this charger here. Was a bit difficult with the app, it was like a whole thing. Gotta work, but it also charges with 5 kilowatt only. But I found another problem. The seals of my front suspension are leaking. This side does it, and this side even more. That shouldn't happen after 5,000 kilometer. But I'm going to the dealer now, so hopefully we can do something about it. What is this after not even 5,000 kilometers? That will slow things down now. How can this happen after 4,700 kilometer? Off to a good start to Africa, eh? See what happens, guys, see what happens. Oh my god. But the sun is shining, that's good. Okay. Made it. Motor van de Toekomst. Here we are. How beautiful is that house? Hello. Wow. What a beautiful place. Do I go right across? Ah, yeah. Wow. Look. Even black. Looks sick. Hi. Hello. Hi. Yeah, I made it. Yeah, I just leave it here, right? Hey man, how you doing? Yeah, it's very cold. Yeah.
We'll go inside.
Yeah. Yesterday I did 700 kilometer. Yeah. I arrived at night. That's why I didn't want to charge, and I thought I'd do it now, but.
I expected that.
Yeah.
Big bags.
Yeah. Okay, we're here in Arne's shop, and there's like plenty of energicas, like Rebel, the Xperia, quite a few. There's also the ultraviolet that we rode in India, and we just put it right on the stand and see what's happening now. How long do you have the shop?
I'm doing this for something like 4 years now.
Oh, okay.
And only electric.
And now you're happy that the Energica is back?
Yeah, thankfully.
Yeah.
We're not there yet, but things are moving again.
Yeah.
So it's progress.
Will be good. I'll make some promotion.
Yeah. I'm now downloading all the logs. Yeah. Every time you turn on the bike or turn off the bike, it logs.
Yeah.
Every time you charge, it logs. If you tip it over, it logs.
Yeah.
So I'm now retrieving all information. That will take 15 minutes or so, or whatever.
Oh yeah, okay.
And I'll upload it also to the servers of Energica.
Good, yeah, good. They have their servers online again?
Everything's running, yeah.
That's where the transmission is, right?
Yeah, checking the oil level.
Yeah.
I've seen in the log that it's been replaced just 2,000 kilometers ago. So.
But there's not much oil in there, right?
No, only 50 cc. It's a glass of snaps.
Yeah. Yeah, I heard that.
Yeah, that's it.
And you can see the level there?
Yeah, here you go.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Anything within the glass is good.
Okay, good to know.
So what I have for you is the crash bars.
Yeah.
They mount on this point and this point, and together here in front underneath.
Yeah. And the crash bars, they will go underneath or in front?
Underneath.
Ah yeah, that's good. If I learned one thing is that some sort of crash bar or I had a bash plate on the Zero,
Yeah, you need something.
That is just essential. Like that is, will happen, one way or another.
The bike will triple over, or you will have a small mishap or whatever.
Yeah.
And hopefully not a big mishap, but things happen.
In India, with the speed bumps,
They are
just insane.
Yeah. Oh boy, on the highway.
Yeah, everywhere.
It's insane.
Yeah.
Which was cool.
Do you also build them? Do you produce them?
They are produced in the Netherlands.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
It does look cool. Like I was a bit worried about these things,
Yeah.
but it looks cool.
Yeah, it's okay.
I like it.
It's okay. Yeah.
It's very subtle still. I think it looked in the photos. It looked a bit more extreme.
It's well, subtle is not the right word, but it's quite doable.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. And they work. That's the most important.
Yeah, it's more like it looks smaller than I thought it would be. So that's really cool.
So, I will first dry fit them, and then in a second stage I will fit them with Loctite.
Yeah.
Because they are welded in a jig, but there's always some tension in it.
Yeah. Well, and now in case I drop the bike, it will not be the end of the world.
Yeah. You have to be careful with your bodywork, because bodywork is scarce.
Yeah.
The current phase with Energica, that's a big challenge.
Yeah, you can't get the plastics so easy.
Where are your kids when you need them?
Yeah, that's not coming on YouTube. Maybe it will.
Maybe it will. So, that's that.
So Arne, what are we doing with the forks?
Swapping them for forks that are not leaking.
Oh, that's awesome.
That's the fastest way to get you on the road again.
Yeah, I think so, right?
Yeah.
So you bring your forks to a special...
Yeah, there's
shop?
an Mullins service center close by, and that's a valued colleague who does this work for me.
Perfect.
Optimist.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, actually very lucky that this happened just now. So that's the quickest solution ever. And he just happens to have another set just repaired. So awesome. Second day already in the shop, but it's just how it is. I was planning to be here anyway, so all good.
Die heb ik sowieso.
Oh, goed zo. Goed zo.
Ken je die elektrische bende, hè?
Ja, dat is allemaal niks, hè.
Verrekte koolstofbord.
See them shine.
Yeah. Awesome. I can just take one with the camera.
I'll take the other.
Yeah, that's it. Freshly serviced. New fork, but I think it's a bit older than my one, but it doesn't really matter as long as it works.
Like what they have, like 20 or what? 15.
All right. Looking like a motorcycle again.
Before you know it, you're good to go. Nothing.
Yeah.
So the only relevant thing is the rollers inside.
Yeah.
And there's a very simple trick. If you look at it from the back side and the rolls are like chrome,
Yeah.
you're too late with greasing.
Oh, okay.
So they always should be dullish, grayish.
So
Greasing.
mine, they need greasing, I think.
This is almost too late. So
Yeah.
perfectly fine to do it now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I thought. That's why I came here to grease my chain.
Only that?
Almost always almost too late.
Yeah. You are aware of the fact that you have an aluminium rear sprocket?
I don't know. No.
All Energica's Experia comes with an aluminium rear sprocket,
Okay.
which is great for saving weight,
Yeah.
but not for longevity.
Okay. So that has to go at some point.
So
Well, I saw a conversion with
with the belt.
belt, yeah.
Yeah, it's a great project, and I actually have a customer who wants me to replicate that here in Europe.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
And the transparent one is only intended for the American market.
Yeah.
For some regulatory reason, I don't know. And this is the smoked sports screen, as they call it.
Well, I think we have to see it on the, just hold it onto the bike and see what looks better. But they're all better than this for sure, 100%. This is also, because this has some blue in there, right? And this is more white.
No, I think
it's just faded.
The refraction of the light.
Oh, yeah, okay.
It should be all transparent, but...
Okay, we're going with the tinted one. Yeah, it looks so much cooler.
Cool.
Yeah, looks awesome. And the sport version is also much lower, so that is really cool for the point of view. Yeah, the windshield was really bothering me when I was looking at the footage, but I think now we're sorted. Now also, yeah, it looks so much better. So this is basically the same bike, just without all the plastics. And you can see here all the connectors, and I found that very interesting how water sealed they are. Look at that. Focus. Yeah, super water sealed everything. It's cool.
So behind this panel here, under your buddy seat,
Yeah.
is basically a wire that mechanically disconnects the locking device.
Yeah.
So if you are stuck, you have to unscrew one 3mm Allen bolt here, and then it's in rubber plugs. You take it off and you can
Release
pull the wire.
Release the cable, yeah. Okay, cool.
So that's one thing.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, but that helps. These clothes. Cool. Okay. One more. Okay. Okay. Bye bye. I see you soon. Yeah. We stay in touch. And thanks for everything, man. Yeah. Yeah. Perfect.
With gloves, perfect.
Yeah.
Tell me how it feels.
Yeah. Yeah. Feels good, no? Yeah.
You can compare it.
Yeah. Yeah. No, I think. Yeah, it's cool. Have a good night, good day, good year. I'll see you around. Okay, guys, I have to do 200 kilometers now to see my friend. I have to charge, so I'll update you at the charging station. Oh, what a day! What a day! Doesn't she look great now? I love the windshield. I was so lucky with the forks that we could just swap them out, otherwise I would have to wait for them to get done. Sometimes you just gotta be a little bit lucky. But yeah, anyway, so now I have the crash bars, that gives me peace of mind. So Arne even sponsored me the crash bars. How cool is that? Yeah, if you're ever in the area, Motor van de Toekomst, just stop by, say hi, have a coffee. I'm heading to my friend Linda now. You all know her, you've seen her. I'll visit her on the Verge, she is pro. I'll stay there for a couple of days, edit, chill out, and then I will be heading down towards Spain and eventually to Africa. I think I'm well prepared now. Arne also gave me sprockets and spare bearings, so well prepared now. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, see you in the next video.